Welcome to MinistryReload.com. My name is Mike Cortez, and I know a move could be a lot and can seem overwhelming, but I want to be your coach. And on this website, we're going to break down the whole relocation process from start to finish for you. I'm also going to provide a map if you're moving to the Orlando area. I want to give you a lay of the land so you know where each community is and also which community has which amenities. Also talk about not just how to pick a home, but how to buy the right home. And that is all predicated on how your home sale goes back where you are now. So I want to talk about how do you pick the right listing agent? How do you list your home? Well, you'll also hear from people that have made the move, who've had the concern of affordability and can I actually make this work? Are actually down here now and they'll share what they've learned. Thanks for visiting. There's more to come. Stick around. Again, Mike Cortez. If you have any questions, 407-230-9626. Love to help make this transition easier for you. We'll see you around.